Hi, good days to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a countdown timer, where you can see the countdown timer still running, and it's always connected with a keypad. So let's stop the operation today. Stop, and you can run back by pushing the green color button. So let's stop again. On stop, then press and hold for the black color button to reset. Okay, reset. So once you reset, press and hold to the mode button. This mode actually to set what is the countdown time. Okay, let's see. Let's say we set to 0 day. 0 day. And for testing purpose, I would like to set 5 seconds. Okay, and for minute, okay, for hour, 1 hour, okay. This is how is it. So press and hold for the buzzer setting. So once you reach the time, it will ring for 45 seconds. So for testing purpose, I would like to put 5 seconds also. Second. Okay, 5 seconds. Press and hold to go out to the setting mode. So we have 5-second countdown. So once you reach the time, the buzzer and the light will light up. So once you reach the time, I will press again the red color button. That means that I already acknowledged the timing. So the light, LED light still light up. So to reset it, press and hold to reset to the original setting. This is how it looks like. Thank you for watching.